Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a really exciting gaming related video. I just picked myself up the collector's edition for Horizon Forbidden West. Horizon Zero Dawn was one of my favorite PlayStation 4 games, and I've been anticipating the sequel for a long time now. Now quickly before we open it up, I just want to let you guys know that there is really two different collector editions that you can get for the game. The first one, of course, is the collector edition, which is the one that we're going to look at in this video, and then there's another one which has a little bit more stuff inside, which is the Regala edition. That was the one I was originally looking for, but unfortunately it was sold out pretty much everywhere. But there's not a ton of differences. Like, yes, I would have preferred the figure that comes with the Regala edition, but other than that, I'm not really missing out on too much. Anyways, guys, let's take a look at the box here. So Horizon Forbidden West, PlayStation 5. There's the side here. There is the back. It just tells you everything that's inside of the box. Then the other side here, we've got some designs with the PlayStation 5 logo again. The top says Horizon Forbidden West. There's the bottom. Now let's open it up. I'm going to try and keep the box in the best possible condition because I do like to keep them. But anyways, let's go ahead and open up the collector edition for Horizon Forbidden West. Not quite sure how this thing opens. Okay, this is kind of cool. It's almost like a door. So you just open it up, and then you can see the actual box inside. Oh yeah, look at that. The box art on this is incredible. I love dinosaurs, and in this game we're getting mechanized dinosaurs, so it's a dream come true, really. So let's go ahead and take a look at this box. So we've got basically like a pterodactyl on the side there with what looks like a beach. Then on the other side we get another machine here with a really cool looking landscape. This side we get a machine that kind of looks like a raptor, and I gotta say, the box art on this thing is just so cool. Like, look at this side with Aloy. That is a very cool box, and I wish a lot of other games made collector's editions that look this good. There's the top with the game logo, and there is the bottom. Now to see what's inside. So we just lift this thing up. Oh, yeah! That looks like a tremor tusk to me. This thing's actually way bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be like maybe almost half the size of this. This is a big boy, and I can't wait to put this on display. I'm planning on making a video game display, and this is definitely going on the shelf along with my Master Chief helmet that I have down there. But anyways, let's continue with the unboxing here. So I think the safest move is to probably unbox the tremor tusk first. This is really cool. I honestly might even just display it in the box here because of the background and the theme that goes along with it. You get a Horizon Forbidden West booklet here, which shows you how to put together your figure. It looks like the tusks on the tremor tusk are going to be movable, which I think is really cool. So let's go ahead and put it together. Alright, so here it is in all of its glory. It was a lot harder than I was expecting to put together. The one tusk, for whatever reason, I think a little piece of it was chipped off, and how it works is it just kind of plugs right into the head sculpt. But the part that I had to put into the head sculpt was a little bit damaged, and it was so hard to put on here. It probably took me almost 20 minutes, but it's finally done. It does look like a mammoth, which I really like. You can see how cool the tusks look on this thing. It just looks really badass. The design of this machine is really cool, and you can actually move around parts of the tusks as well, so you can pose it in a few different ways. I really like the design of this machine, and I just can't wait to see it in the game. Now, you can display this just how it is because it does come with a display stand, but if you do want to display it with a background, the part that comes with the collector's edition is perfect. Like, just look at that, the snowy background and all that with the tremor tusk I think looks really good. Now, another cool piece that comes with the collector's edition for Horizon Forbidden West is a little Aloy figurine. The detail on this is insane. Everything looks amazing, and surprisingly the head sculpt does look like Aloy in the game. Normally on figurines this size they really botch the face sculpt, but I'm happy to say that they did capture Aloy's likeness in the figurine, which is pretty hard to do like I was saying, so I am pretty impressed with this. I'm probably just going to display her right beside the tremor tusk just like that. Now for the last part of the collector's edition unboxing, we're of course going to check out the game, the mini art book, and all that other good stuff. So the game is actually located at the bottom of the display stand here, so if you open up this little compartment, You can see the steelbook with the mini art book right there. This is packaging at its peak. Okay, so let's take a look at the steelbook first. Now, of course, we get Aloy, we get a Tremor Tusk, and the one machine that looks like a pterodactyl. Forgive me, I don't know the names just yet as I haven't played the game, but this is a really cool looking steelbook. Now, on the other side, you get a few more machines and the villains of the game. Overall, this steelbook has a really unique design to it, and I really like it. The one thing I don't like, though, is there's no physical copy of the game in here, which is really weird because they have the outline where a CD is supposed to go right there, but they just don't include the game. So I guess if you want to purchase the game outside of buying the collector's edition already, you can put the disc in there if you really want to. I personally won't, but you of course get a digital copy of the game as well as some DLC. So it looks like you get some extras in photo mode, a special pose and face paint. You get an Apex Claw Strider machine strike piece, resources pack, you get a digital soundtrack, and you get a Horizon Zero Dawn Volume 1 The Sunhawk digital comic book. You also get a Karja Behemoth Elite outfit and short bow, and a Nora Thunder Elite outfit and sling. And I gotta say, both DLC outfits look really great, and I can't wait to play the game with them. And the last bit of DLC that I got with the collector's edition is a Nora Legacy outfit, and the last part to the unboxing is a mini art book. You get some pretty cool stuff in here. You get some concept art, you get some screen grabs. There is the Regala Tremor Tusk from the Regala edition that I was unable to get. But yeah, some pretty awesome stuff if you're a big Horizon fan like myself. I'm probably gonna just keep everything in this box because I think it just looks really cool to have the steelbook in there, the mini art book, and the Tremor Tusk with Aloy. It just makes for a really cool display piece. So guys, that is my unboxing of the collector's edition for Horizon Forbidden West. I just can't wait to play this game, and if you guys want to see footage of the game itself, make sure you check out my other YouTube channel, which is Epic Game Clips, which of course has epic game clips. It's not me talking, my face isn't in any of the videos, it is just strictly gameplay. So if you guys are interested in seeing some Horizon Forbidden West, make sure you check out that channel. Other than that, guys, leave a comment down below of what you guys thought about the collector's edition, and would you rather get the Regala edition or the collector edition? And also let me know if you guys are playing Horizon Forbidden West and what do you think of it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. Lots of content coming, but for now, this is the end. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.